remember the LA Stixx YouTube channel, you know. Yeah, let's go for like and let's hit the subscribe button, hit up the bell, you know. Yeah, man, just like up the channel, you understand? What you mean? Can't get better, you know. So big up our bloggers, you know. Yeah, man, support my friend channel, man, LA Stixx. Yeah, just go and just click like and subscribe. Leave a comment down. Yeah.
Girl, is that another?
Girl, go for your skin tone.
And he's playing with his
You're batty boy. You know try the schoolwork? No. How is he on schoolwork today?
that's corn. She's doing some corn.
You like it? Say it, give her.
Hey! Skitty musky. Hey! Oh!
That's my sister right there. She's gonna do some boiled corn. And that's the corn. There is some right there. And that's my other sister over there. I'm gonna show you. She's she's going to do some roast corn. And let's see if I can catch the fire. Yep, that's her fire right there burning. Yep, that's the fire to roast the corn. And there is the corn. Oops, they're rolling away. There is the corn. See, she's putting it on the fire. That's the corn she's putting on the fire. The smoke is coming up high, but it's roast corn anyway. And the sun is hot. Wow, that's a big smoke. Yeah. That's my son going in the woods.
Well, boy. Pass a phone, Livy. Let me pass a phone. Ikan na semua. Tahu nak duit kau chat isinya pun.
Have some sharp bones. What may I tell if you come to do your thing over the fish? You have to pray to it.
wasn't coming to come, do not know why. If anything was going. Now the smoke is coming my way.
Come here.
So I was talking
Let me
about
scale
the
fish.
TV, nice roast.
Let me scale fish.
You can see them roasting in the
Let
shell.
me scale fish.
Yeah.
Junior.
Yeah.
Let me scale fish.
See beautiful color they're coming out at. Don't mind those nice little burnt thing, you know, you're just giving like a scrape and you go for it. Those probably the sweetest corn in the whole roasting going on there. You know,
Makes perfect. You know that? Junior, cut that for me.
some come.
Oh, I need help.
Oh yeah. It's focused.
May I wait for me? Just want to say that from the beginning.
I wait for me too.
You see how pretty those things look. Oh, by the way, over here, sir, mommy, I do some fish. Any kind of fish, you know, some black perch. The elusive Jamaican black perch. And we are going to have some of that. Yeah, mommy, I scratch it, you know how these black perch is. A lot of work in scraping it down, you know, getting the scale off of it, getting some bone juke you.
A lot of bone, I'm getting some juke too. Right through the gloves.
You hear that? So we're gonna have some black perch this evening also. Stixx and family in Jamaica do it Jamaican style.
It's hot, but it's fun.
You hear that? Welcome to Jamaican weather.
Just coming from Santa Cruz. Oh, it's hot.
Styrofoam.
See? Catch him at the styrofoam.
Wow.
What?
Come in, guys. What am I
I just have a styrofoam salesman pass through. I'll bring you guys back on look like the corn. Look like the black perch. And for you guys information, as you can see the wife definitely deep down in a scale in black perch right there, so she's right back to the roots, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna admit it, but I didn't want to touch that. Except for eat it. The amount of juke where she's probably getting right now.
I get a look behind you. There is my big nephew.
You want to go with it?
No, thank you, sir.
You want it?
You want
You
it?
piece of it, no?
No. You want it? No.
You don't say you want it, that's why you don't take it.
Let me take you. I don't think I put it in the house.
You never know say you want
You
it.
want it? Baby, where is that?
Catch that fast. Hold him.
I don't know about the car glass. I'm going to be. I'm going to get one. Nobody take you. Oh no, that's right now, I tell you.
guys, get your time.
So check let me go, that's the car.
Our roast corn. Do you want any roast corn?
Alright, here we're going to demonstrate how strong this hammock is. Now, she have just purchased this hammock from my store. Good? So, if she just see this hammock and she fall to the ground, I will take care of her for life. I will ensure that her kids and her husband are well taken care of as well. Vacation every month to that island, Bora Bora. This is her daughter, Nisi Benisi. Would you like to go to Bora Bora? That nice island, food all day, beach, everything.
Oh, yeah.
No school.
Oh yeah, she is. She's in no school.
No,
Yeah.
no, good. So you say, Mommy should go in the hammock.
Well, nah, good.
Alright, wait.
She is going to go for
And try.
experiment of her
Sit
life.
down. Take time, sit down.
After one, let's say drop.
Sit down, what the
Here I come.
Sit down. Papa, the clip good. Go on, man. Take time, go down. Take time. You have to take your time.
This not safe, Auntie. Not safe. This is not safe. Auntie, you have to stay with Auntie now. You have to
Come,
Go down, go one round.
hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up. Let's get this going. Let's hurry up and bring her to a fall.
Lefty.
You can do it.
Lean back, Auntie. Yeah.
You're almost to the ground.
You not go down. Leave it. Nah, go down. Leave it. Nah, go down. Give me the tell you no. I break up there.
So to all of my customers, please hurry in store. Get your hammock.
Color
today.
hammock. I did it.